guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look. It's pretty easy and simple, but we'll have a twist on this video because my boyfriend is going to be doing my voiceover.
I thought you did no talking in this video.
I can do an intro. You guys requested this video so much on my social media, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave some comments down below letting me know what videos you want to see next in the month of December. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started with this boyfriend does my voiceover slash hopefully makeup tutorial.
Slash, we added one more twist. He's maybe a little bit drunk. So let's get started. Here we're going to add a little bit of eye stuff to make my eyes ready to go. And then we're going to tape them up so that we add the lines, and we're not going to go outside those lines. So we're going to brush in some skin colored stuff to make a good foundation, and then we're going to brush in some other So we're going to brush in some other skin colored stuff, but a little darker on the outsides. So you'll notice here, we're going to go dark on the outside, and we're going to move closer to the inside, but with lighter colors. It's a really good smoky look. The transition is what it's all about. And, you know, it's just like a look that you got to go for if you're trying to say, hey, I'm ready to party, but I'm also independent. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so let's move on to my glitter. The glitter is like the extra bling that you gotta show when you're out and about and you need people to know, go Tigers. He knows what I'm about. So the glitter, look, you know, we all know what glitter's about, so let's move on. So I'm going to put a really light shade on the inside of my eyes, and what this is going to do is reflect the light in a certain way to make me look really fierce. You got to look fierce. That's all about the wing and the smokiness and just parts of the eye look that every woman needs to go for. So let me just finish this up real quick, and I should be done here in a minute, hopefully, because I'm really fast with my makeup. At least that's what David says. Not really, but okay. I'm gonna just do some eyeliner here. So we moved on past the eyeshadow, and I'm gonna eyeline my eyes. I'm gonna eyeline my eyes here, and I'm done doing that now. So we're gonna prime, and look at the line that I created with that tape. That is perfection. So let's moisturize. All right. We're going to moisturize on the forehead and the cheeks and the nose, and then I'm going to put this shuck stuff on my face with my teardrop brush, and I'm going to do the lower half of my face, under my eyes, my temples, my forehead, my hairline, my eyebrow, my nose, my other temple, and yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, there's more. So here we go with the, what is it called? Concealer. And we're going to conceal in the triangle formation here under the eyes and the tip of the nose and the lip of the brow and the peak of the forehead and the crest of my chin, so that we highlight all of the high areas of my face and we do a really good job of contouring. So then you gotta bake it, okay? You have to bake with powder, and what powder does is it gets in there and it makes it not so liquidy. So now that I'm baked and I've got my clean slate, I'm gonna bronze. It's like a tanning bed, but better because it takes 2 minutes. And then we're gonna fill in our brows here with brow filler, duh. And then, so I'm going, gotta comb them and brush them and fill them all at the same time. You gotta square them off, make them look good, and then really finish them off with a sleek mascara brush thing. And then brush. We brush off the powder. We finish the bake. And then you got to get under the eyes, the nose, the chin. And then we blush. And then you blush the top of your forehead. Because if you don't blush the top of your forehead, did you really even blush? So yeah. Anyways, let's contour now. Contouring, you know, it's like It's really important, and we all know why, so there's really no need to explain it. So let's just, everyone hit the I believe button. You gotta contour. So do your contouring and put on the eyelashes. That is like the keys to success right there. So let me put on my eyelashes. Haters will say they're fake, but they're not. So let me just finish pinching them on, and once they're on, they are good to go. So now, almost done with this look, people. I'm going to blush some more, and this is just like to give my rosy youthfulness a highlight, you know. I've got to say, hey, here's my highlighter. And what we do with this highlighter is we really accentuate the high parts of my face that I want to stick out. It's like Bible verses in Sunday school. You highlight the important ones. My cheekbones are super important, so look at them now because they're highlighted. And that's that. So then we finish off this look with a penciling of our under eyelid. And be careful with this, ladies. You really don't want to poke yourself in the eyes, okay? That's just not good for anyone. And then last but not least are the lips. We got to draw the lines and then color inside them. I say again, we got to draw the lines and color inside them. This is easy stuff. We learned it in first grade. Watch and learn if you don't know how. I'm really good at it. I finish this look by drawing inside the lines. I've used my cream lipstick here. It's kind of like a lip stain, but it's not. It's like a lip cream. So I'm just going to do it, and then slow motion for you. Moving slow motion for you. I'm going to look down. My eyelashes are banging. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Click subscribe and comment what you think of this look.